Hi friends, welcome to Heaven in 999 channel. Today I am coming with technical information about the LG new dual inverter AC 1.5 ton for best performance in summer for your relief and cooling system for entire summer season. Let's begin friends. Take a look on it and see the details and information about LG 1.5 ton with dual inverter air conditioner. Let's begin friends. LG 1.5 ton. Here we get 2 units of 1.5 ton LG air conditioner. In this we get 2 units. One is indoor unit and another one is outdoor unit for cooling system. LG dual inverter AC helpful to cut out any type of voltage fluctuation and another problems and secure your system for your well cooling and best performance towards your summer season. Friends, this is new model of LG inverter air conditioner with the both indoor and outdoor unit with best protection and best quality of product from LG air conditioner. The best quality of fan give a best performance towards cooling system and reduce noise towards air conditioner and also purify with the best mess of outdoor system and purify the air into air conditioner and also helpful more effectively to quick cooling towards your indoor area and also give a best effect of cooling system in the performance of air conditioner. The best quality of pipes which give a noise free system working and also give a best air by purifying to circulate gas for towards the cooling system and giving a mess for a best purifier as well as dust holder and also drain the system for best cooling performance and it give a nice effect which indoor area become cool quickly and instantly for best result. Here we are purchasing 4-star of LG inverter AC which suitable for 1.5 ton and the 17 into 15 area which cool in maximum 15 to half an hour with the quality of motors producing by LG dual inverter air conditioner. The LG model of 2022 1.5 ton dual inverter air conditioner which helpful to cool your area in maximum 15 to half an hour quick and instant cooling system which helpful to give a more and more best performance day by day in your relief toward summer season and also which give more effectively give a performance of cooling which helpful to give a cool area of your working or sleeping hours. My suggest towards installation, please install the recommended installer for the air condition give towards best performance and also long life of your air conditioner with the best installation and its performance. It's also work on different modes and different system which helpful to you for operating easily and understand the system information towards your daily use. and outdoor unit helpful to strongly and quickly give the cool effect towards your indoor system for best quality of LG performance in air conditioner. A small mesh which give purify air and lesser noise and best quality of air towards your cooling system, and the company provide different type of catalogs and manual books which helpful to understand the operating system in different modes and different manner, and it also give guidelines towards quick installation and standard installation with the standard performance, and give a long life with adjustable modes and standard guidelines towards your air conditioner for long life and better performance. The remote can easily understand different type of modes to operate the cool, fan and rainy, and also give a normal cooling systems. Here operating different modes and also stages of fan, and also its performance towards according to the outside temperature. It will automatically set the cooling system in indoor purpose. The best quality of remote with two small shells which helpful to come with long life to operate easily and quickly for your cooling purpose. The 10-year of warranty of LG dual inverter AC comes with a standard installation which give you the best long performance with the higher quality of result. So friends, the different modes will helpful to you operate the sleeping mode and fan mode with the cooling mode and also raining mode, and it also automatically reset the system and also clean itself with a different type of modes, and also you can operate easily for your daily use purpose and get the relief from summer hotness or relief from summer season. Friends, its inbuilt stabilizer which helpful to deduct the cost of outside stabilizer installation and also protect the high voltage fluctuation with inbuilt stabilizer performance. LG 1.5 dual inverter air conditioner with a 4-star rating. Approximate cost is 40,000 and price may differ according to your area, season, discounts, offers and model with a rating. The cost may be less or more. The other information and detail please check out, and other models and modes you may get in this LG air conditioner with 10 years of warranty towards your best performance of LG air conditioner. This is my honest opinion about dual inverter air conditioner from LG. Subscribe Heaven in 999 channel for more video and different subject. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Thank you once again.